Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, keyword transformations, exercise number FCE027. Let's start with question number 1. The original sentence is, you should have finished that report, not John. The keyword is were, and the second sentence is, you blank that report, not John. The correct answer is, you were supposed to finish that report, not John. This transformation uses were supposed to indicate an expectation that was not met. Were supposed to finish keeps the original meaning of should have finished from the first sentence. Another example would be, you were supposed to call me last night. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is this the right bus for San Diego? The keyword is tell, and the second sentence is, could blank is the right bus for San Diego? The correct answer is, could you tell me if this is the right bus for San Diego? This transformation uses could you tell me if to ask for confirmation. Could you tell me if this keeps the original meaning of is this in the first sentence. Another example would be, could you tell me if this is the correct form to fill out? Next up, question 3. The original sentence is, sorry I'm late, Mark whispered as he took his seat in the cinema. The keyword is being, and the second sentence is, Mark apologized, blank. The correct answer is, Mark apologized for being late. This transformation uses apologized for followed by a gerund to express regret for something you've done. Apologized keeps the original meaning of sorry in the first sentence. Another example would be, she apologized for arriving late to the restaurant. Here's question 4. The original sentence is, this train is late. It was supposed to arrive 5 minutes ago. The keyword is arrived. And the second sentence is, this train blank 5 minutes ago. The correct answer is, this train should have arrived 5 minutes ago. This transformation uses should have to indicate an expectation that was not met. Should have arrived keeps the original meaning of it was supposed to arrive in the first sentence. Another example would be, this meeting should have started 10 minutes ago. On to question 5. The original sentence is, if you continue to drink, you will get drunk. The keyword is the, and the second sentence is, blank, the drunker you will get. The correct answer is, the more you drink, the drunker you will get. This transformation uses a comparative structure to show a direct relationship between two actions. The more you drink keeps the original meaning of if you continue to drink from the first sentence. Another example would be, the more you practice, the better you will get. Question 6. The original sentence is, bring me the phone book if you happen to find it. The keyword is come, and the second sentence is, if blank book, bring it to me. The correct answer is, if you come across the telephone book, bring it to me. This transformation uses the phrasal verb come across to indicate finding something by chance. If you come across keeps the original meaning of if you happen to find in the first sentence. Another example would be, if you come across my car keys, please let me know. Question 7. The original sentence is, I have no memory of my first day at school. The keyword is remember. And the second sentence is, I blank to school on my first day. The correct answer is, I don't remember going to school on my first day. This transformation uses don't remember followed by a gerund to indicate lack of memory. I don't remember keeps the original meaning of I have no memory in the first sentence. Another example would be, I don't remember meeting him at all. And now, finally, question 8. The original sentence is, I didn't forget to buy the bread, here it is. The keyword is remembered, and the second sentence is, I blank, here it is. The correct answer is, I remember to buy the bread. Here it is. This transformation uses remembered to, followed by an infinitive, to indicate that an action was successfully completed. I remember to buy keeps the original meaning of I didn't forget to buy from the first sentence. Another example would be, I remember to lock the door last night. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.